and learn until the money becomes available.
Riwruoge mopogore mag oganda mapacho ka kod pinje maoko koro go tach e kaunti ma Kisii ka gijiwo jopuonjre kuom weche telo, bedo jal maber e kind oganda kaachiel gi ka ginyalo geng'ore kod lwenje mag kit chwech. Kaluwore kod limbe skunde, akweda, midhiero kaachiel kod chandruok mopogore opogore e moko kuom pek ma jopuonjre kadhoe. Ijiwo riwruoge mag somo mondo ket mbele puonj maber mar timbe makare ne jopuonjre.
So we want to make a really special video. Here we go. I saved her for last.
We collaborate with a top talent agency from the US and other organizations, is that we are teaching these young ones, beautiful queens here, to say no to violence, either mental violence or physical violence.
Kenya is on the rise. And for this to be my first time here, I felt like I have a big heart, but Kenya has really opened up my heart.
Courtesy of this group, and I know that it's going to go a long way to build them to become greater women after school.
We brought speakers, authors, writers, experts to come here and to give them words of wisdom, words of encouragement, and help them with critical thinking skills and really help them with their education and their growth.
This is my third visit. This is my third personal visit here to Kenya, speaking to universities, secondary schools, primary schools to connect with the students and address any issues and things that they want to have an American entrepreneur, business owner.
Women are the ones who help you to make the world great.